I'm back.
Somebody song go find me one day. Don't do it, don't get too far.
I'm done. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Debbie. Please don't forget to subscribe to be a part of this family, okay? Not me looking like Pentecost woman this morning. So this video is a vlog, as you can see from the title. I'm going to wash my hair. I don't know where I'm going to wash it, but I'm going to ask my granny. I'm not used to any hairdressing salon in this neighborhood, so I'm just going to ask her. Wherever she recommends, I'll just go. After, I'll not do anything to my hair. Like, I'm done braiding for this year. I'm done doing anything to this hair. The tension and everything is just, so I'm done. But you guys, my skin is going through a lot. I'm just going to eat and then we'll go, okay?
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my now. Oh, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movie stars, and jewelry, all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me?
Guys, I'm back. The lady, well, she was nice. She was a nice person, but she didn't stretch it well. Like, the scalp doesn't even feel dry. Like, it's not dry. Aside that, I am done. Look at my edges. I'm coming. Look at my edges. Can you all see? Look. I'm done. Because how can you be keeping so much up here and your edges are gone? They are gone. Like, look, guys. It's even deforming my face. My eyebrows too are gone, and now my edges. Because how? Like, how? How? I don't know. I'm laughing. I feel like crying, but I don't want to cry. You guys, let's go and cook it. After cooking, I'll show you what I'll do to this hair.
We've heard from the professionals, we've heard from the experts. Now let's hear from you, the public. We put out a poll and we were asking, should President Akufo-Addo resign? So the results that we got are as follows. Currently, we had 69.3% saying yes. To be honest with you, I'm not surprised with the way people are feeling in town. Then we also had 11.3% also saying no. Then we also had 19.4% saying I don't care. I'm surprised actually that there are almost 20% of people on the fence about this. We also had a couple of comments here. We have Clara who says his resignation is long overdue. Then Daniel who asks, Finance Minister Seth refused to resign. Now President, you want say if I resign? He's asking there. So this is what you had to tell us, and this is what your finger on the buzzer said. Well, I think 2024 will really show us what you really think. My name is Nanama Anabempong. Kweku, back to you.
All right, thank you very much, Nanama.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go power for the result, to discuss, oh, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the guys out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, Mayo, don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 Shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I did what I got when then kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover.
Guys, so I'm done. This is why I did to it. I told you guys I'm done braiding for this year, so why is it hanging like Talia? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll end the vlog here. I don't want to waste your time. I'm even sweating. I don't want to waste your time. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to join the family, okay? Please do all to comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.